It looks like it's gonna storm. I like storms. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where I hide Cat's madness. I don't know why, but every time I want to film a video, it's cloudy outside, so lighting might be weird, but it might have been weird in every video I've ever done. Because the weather hates me. Anyway, today I'm just gonna do a quick little challenge video for you. I'm going to be doing the, what am I doing? I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So, I'm going to get a mirror because that would be a good idea. I've got my mirror because it would really suck to be trying to do a 5-minute no mirror makeup challenge. Although that would be kind of interesting, but I'm not doing that today. Yeah, I think that is it. So let's get started. I've got my timer. It is set for 5 minutes. Ready, set, go. I'm not going to talk much about the products because I don't have time. I grabbed the wrong brush. Shush! My phone is tweeting. Or chirping. That's what that was called, chirp. Concealer. Probably should charge my camera better. And now it brightens, yay! Powder. I've already lost a minute and a half just doing my base. That really freaking sucks. Okay. Brows. I need eyebrows. There we go. I don't have time to spoolie them. Great. And be very messy, I believe. Ooh, that looks like crap. Spoolie. There we go. We'll do eyeliner. No! I just broke the tip. Hey look, it still works with the broken tip. Okay, very messy. I don't care. Mascara. I can't open it. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Bronzer. Let's look live. blush, 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 blush. Put on a lot more blush than I did bronzer. Highlight, because you always need a bit of highlight. And shoot, lipstick. I'm done. I'm done with 9 seconds to spare. What am I doing? 3, 2, 1. I did it. I did it badly because that eyebrow looks like crap. Yeah, I know eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, but I don't think these are even distant cousins. Let's see my eyeliner. My eyeliner actually did rather well, considering. So I was using my Createfine's eyeliner stamp. I don't know if you can see it, but I broke the tip. Like when I pulled it out, it hit my finger, and the tip broke, and that really sucked. But it worked, even though the top lines are kind of messy. But apparently I can do my makeup in 5 minutes. I can do it badly, but I can do it. I really want to fix that. I'm going to need to clean everything up because I made an absolute mess throwing everything everywhere. But that is it for today's video. It's just a quick, short, fun little challenge video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all for watching. Bye!